Ministry of Tourism Day. National Tourist Body. Monumental Leaks Commission. AYB Centro. Salon Country Photo. Salon Country Photo. Inside this country culture. Inside this country culture. Inside this country culture. Tourism I say the day. Traditional business day. Tourism business day. Country food I say it day. Salon country culture. Salon country culture. Inside this country culture. Inside this country culture. It's the culture day. Country food I say it day. Sorry side I say it day. Inside this country culture.
Inside the Salon Country Ports. Inside the Salon Country Ports, you get plenty thing them as usual where you go get and you go actually enjoy. Salon Country Ports don't come back today and this now another Saturday. Inside Salon Country Ports, we can bring you plenty thing them where therefore do with salon history, heritage, culture and tourism. So Salon Country Ports glad for come back today for bring you another very important thing where you say go able enjoy, we say we will enjoy, and we all go able enjoy, then we go able get nice time. Me na Mohamed Fari Kagbo.
And me na Francis Musa Momo.
Well, Salon Country Port they come to you by the Ministry of Tourism and Cultural Affairs, the National Tourist Board, and a Monument and Relics Commission. They produce them for sake of the ministry. We join on with AYV for bring you this particular program, Salon Country Ports. Salon Country Ports, Francis, you remember the last week, what happened last week?
Yeah, last week now, the thing that we other people will do, now some man do.
Yes, we've been getting this great guy, when a musician, a magician, or we call a mystic person, we do some exceptional thing them. Wait me admire more, we go inside a cage. Small for coop. One no more man, big, healthy man. He go inside for a coop. Can you imagine that? Well, no worry you. Me safe na so, me Fari Kagbo, get for do me magic. Very soon. Na for see wonders. Na ready for that one day. Francis, who's magic here for do?
I still not for it.
We want some power, man. Anyway, it's all good. Remember saying you can be part of this program. The way you go do them, send message on 030-718-777. The number again for be part of the program, send message on 030-718-777 and be part of Salon Country Ports for this week. Francis, I open the ports and straight away we go inside the ports and see. Because the ports reality and so you look like na something where I mean people go for see. Yeah, just go inside the ports and open it right now. Let me see.
Wow.
The Salon Country Ports. And they cover the ports, so we all watch why they cover the ports. And they cover the ports now because Francis already take day and we cover them. This is an important sport.
I don't take wait I will take, and every day na Salon Country Ports na a great day because people will not go get cultural freedom or then cultural healing without they not get then cultural education. When important we Salon Country Ports they bring to people every day, every Saturday. So with your all me answer, I hold on tight. Yes, I hold on tight because when I carry Lisa, we all go, we all get for glad you say we day. So, but the small talk about this thing what hold on me answer, we can't talk about one of the the tribe we don't hold himself for a very long time for let they not go inside him too much. So with my people the other land they say resilience. So if we look at an interior tribe, we don't become so resilient over time. And one way you able keep your language like we can always talk na Salone Country Pot, now way you talk them. So it's a way of preserving. That way we talk them every day, na preservation self you they do. So
but again, friends, I don't continue. What about people in the singing language or the right hand on? What's what are we then?
All of them thing and then I way the document, you do a documentation because if you document other people go come then can carry them, then see them and then self go learn from them.
Okay.
So one of them tribe then they na Salone, we call her Temine. Temine.
Katimne.
Yes, Katimne. So and this person here we are in tight soon on my hand. I don't want to release myself.
One see. One see.
Now somebody we ain't don't see himself see if for preserve in language to in music. So I don't want for reason at time. Let we go inside Makeni. Let you go see the Okumo.
Okumo, internet man. They call her in real name na actually na Amadou Kabu. So let we watch waiting Amadou Kabu get for his story, but why he sing the way how he do and why he decide for particularly for specialize in Temine songs. Let we enjoy Okumo. Who's having this right now?
I'm not
Yeah, brother. Hey, how you man? Boy, it's all chicken right now. But also keep the social distancing. Everything. What's your name? Whiskey. Yeah. Wow. Me na Paris.
Francis. How are you?
They look for one guy. They music. Call an internet man.
That guy we sing some music. Yeah, Konema song.
Anything.
We just want to see him and talk to him.
Yeah, basically we we do some small television program where we like to interview.
Okay, no problem. I mean, my idea inside, but on a click on show.
Fine, no problem.
From Musu Mountain, we're glad to bring you Salone Country Pot.
Great man. The great internet. No bad. So man will pass around. So they could meet up with you man. Like God just on his side. They could be type out of somebody then. Got me meet up and God send directly to. God directly to. So they could ask them. And he say he's entered the year of here.
Man just can't greet man then at the gym.
Okay.
Yeah, this na Apex.
Yeah, the great Apex.
Yeah, man.
Hi with you man.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
Nice meet, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yeah, just keep up here. Yes. So Salone Country Pot don't count today. Now the northern city of Makeni inside Bombali district. And we come for find this great man when a internet man. But we in Salone Country Pot don't know much about internet man apart from the fact that now artists where they sing and you sing in boku local song, especially in Temine song. But who that's now this internet man? Now the question they can find out and why they do all what they do and what they make reach this particular height we reach to. So Francis Momo, just can begin for do anything. Let we know this man.
Thank you, internet man. We they do this for salon culture, for less salon in heritage. We there right now, or are they right now with the solution? The man they call himself internet man. So first, I want to know what's in the real name. The name with them born you with.
Na Amadou Kagbo.
Wow.
Name na Amadou Kagbo.
So Amadou Kagbo, what's in bring the internet man inside?
Well, I just believe say with somebody wise and start it in and they are just pick up the name say I forgive myself internet because me na the solution. Anything way you doubt on, you check on the internet. That's why I give me name internet man. Okay. No doubt.
So if you say people then doubt party mini language music now you make it count, huh?
No, just like what they say, you know say the people na the diaspora, na the country, that locality, they won't forget about time. So I decide say I for do the very best, make people able to learn and see how salon culture they go. That's why I come in for make salon music go before I decide for do Timini song.
Okay. So na Makenia you born?
Na Makenia born, na Makenia man.
Wow. There you go school. Which school you go?
I go St. Francis.
Almost Makenia go St. Francis. Wow. So how many years you don't depend on this music?
Well, from 2003 to now, I remember what we do something with Papa Mikailu, Fadati, late back, Yubobode, and Papa Mikailu. By the end, I've been there on group, we not done crew. First do a first hit track, we not Valentine. We play all over the country. We beaucoup people and don't know say na internet man been doing. Yeah.
Me na the Timini side.
The Timini side na 2016.
Now you start.
Yeah.
Strictly Timini now.
Strictly.
What you make you strictly go to Timini?
Well, I just believe say na the reality.
So how from you do Timini?
Yeah. I just believe say na the original of me for do Timini because beaucoup man my first style I been they do na ragamuffin. All man is hey boy they sing like Beanie Man, they sing like Busy Signal. I just thought and fit say ma sit down, ma able do something for my country. Me then know say the local dialect, the waka. That's why I decide for do Timini song. Then God so good, the first track I ever do na Konoema, it break through. I just believe say na the right track I just don't enter. I go do my very best for do more and more songs them for the country.
Well, you just hear a small background, but the great Amadou Kagbo, we then call internet man, the solution. Okumo. What's that again?
Well, Okumo, name on the chief them, now the last name Pantini.
Okay, well, Carlo go, let we go. Let we continue discussion because you are not do for there, we can able do this discussion as well.
Well, let's just take it slow because so many areas and then I'm able to showing around.
Oh, you are showing him again now.
I tell you, yeah now some hotel as you see the garden. If you know yes, yeah now peaceful area the north.
Okay, you don't know small thing, but internet man in background. He go this great St. Francis school. But how a music career don't they go on in terms of especially Timini song? Like on Francis Momo. Francis.
Yes.
Come. Let's just continue discussion. Let people know. But internet man, you always Konoema.
Yeah.
Just give it small acapella and small performance panel. I don't want to continue the discussion as internet man. You should do small acapella and performance story. Konoema.
Okay. Okamo. Watemine olelme apolo moloma mi kaka sokane kane mi yama lomi mu yama tori mi apa me lape nkashi mama fofone mu pen nkashi abode ka de fino do konko nkashi wate yi ko let's say yanga pen ofofone mu di say apa mu fino ilane ka fuma mu pen de gbitane before bot me shigbote bukete ko kane mama ne me buke sane lale afofone mu gbon yabi mi ne poke so be ga fino kai konko oba songo ka le botere mo boko momo ko te o shekene ko ponto Konoema. Alekapofa fene konoima. Kona.
Alekapofa fene konoima. Alekapofa fene konoima. Owa fino mine botu koyaki. Tati taye mane saki. Wana mic believe que tío taka mida yang okale taka mida foi. Oku fi mo fakoi som como foi. Kaka keme toy. Papa back me. Kaka keme boy. Otori mi okale kogi. Kili mo kili. Apa me uye ngote kot. Tío man say let me take a sort of cut. Angala ngenge can make it consequence. Obera fino let me get a locomotive. Mine ibaka neko kota neko. Baga neko kati neko. Esa yo totobo. Kanko na deme papako. Oye me mitame wate mine sapako. Oya ye wan mamu komanko. Konoyema. Kaya bisamiko. Konoyema. It's a fucking okachim. Konoyema. I wanna look at your makalaka from a pushing car. Okada tinka. Okada tunka. Okada sanka. Wani membonge. You membonge. Konoyema. Alekapofa fene konoyema.
One of the great songs. Tell me small thing about that song. How you concept Sam, how you manage to am. Konoyema. What's the name in fact?
Well, na year one. Yeah, let them talk and pull snots. Na year one. The woman where I want, all man they talk about and say na this and that, na this they do bad thing them. But strictly I say na year one. No matter what they do, na year one. I let them talk and pull snots, na year one. Na the concept.
I feel like for you right now. I feel like for you right now. I feel like for you. You know where I feel like for you. You know where I feel like for you. That baby they left you. You go marry to other man. They like today. If you other one, tell me what's my baby.
Oh, na year one.
Tell me what's my baby. We sing both.
Well, I just believe say, Motaman na the love na campus and the art. No matter the bad thing the way they do, but it gets in and out.
So that song is based on real life story.
Yeah, a real life story.
Tell me what's my story.
Well, I go cut and short because from the small one we did together. Somebody come, take them, they go, they come back. Now somebody where they come on, you know they listen person, they don't live all kind life. But I just believe say, I deal with somebody. That somebody they are not go left and so. Because if you know really artists them, talk them they boku. So they say you na celebrity, this na they keep this, they go he can. But he still love me. So no matter the bad habits we don't do, I accept.
But you say Konoyema, now you want to say
now you want, now na Konoyema panting.
That means say people me dey be you no want to.
Yeah.
Because of
if Fambule now, if Fambule and they talk say this no want to na so it dey.
small capella in performance Lucy.
Yeah.
Me ali dance.
Boy ne ma kunkla me. Afuma lo ma ye ma segbetane me. Itsenga mama yinketane me. Itsenga. Ye menenga. Apato soboti. Oboti boti. Apato soboti. Soboti. Boy ne ma kunkla me. Afuma lo ma ye ma segbetane me. Itsenga mama yinketane me. Itsenga. Ye menenga. Why never kunkla me? Afuma lama ye masipetane me. Itsinga mama yinketane me. Ngamanga mi malis ilai tagati. Ilai tagati. Ilai tagati. Bonu etilami. Bonu etilami.
Bonne till la mine, Abaddon, so wood. Wait, that's a tongue, Abaddon, so wood. Mali, mami, Abaddon, so wood. Tonema, so wood. So wood. Moi, dopo, punga, pas comme moi, me tasse. Les gars, des gars, ne m'y t'en pas mis, ne me tasse. Que l'imam entend ça, m'y t'en moque passe. On a never, faut pas que ça me voit, t'es bon, on voit que j'ach. Que l'imi, nous a t'es cookie, que me tasse. Maman, papa, faut, papa, ton man, yoi. A fofu do pit, I got the fofu do mogi. Abayoi, mi no man no momoris, mane mami moto modis. Mi no man no polaris. Abatos, fugi konde konon, kege pa modo konon. Mi ne tase kake sontong, kataga ipo sontong. Wene ma kunkulame, afuma lama ye ma sikbetaneme. Itininga mama inkitaneme. Ngamana mi man les, ilai tagati. Ilai tagati. Bonne nuit till la mine, bonne nuit till la mine.
So deep.
Just a small freestyle, you know. We expect each and every time.
So that's why waiting inspire you for do.
Well, I try for talk say some people they try for block me way. You know, anything they do, people they block me. But anything what they do now in musical system, people they appreciate. Then they say sweet. While some people they want block me on way, for man no go before.
Point time is you company sing pan Creole, you company sing pan English. Why you decide for do song them pantini?
Well, I just believe say me na Salomon. Me own language na me own language. I just believe say if I do any different thing, I don't want sound like different somebody. I want sound like Sierra Leonean. They are proud of my language. I want spread the message to all my people them where they salon diaspora any area we find yourself. I just believe saying that are the right thing for me.
And in the process, you pass on like the language when I
the language.
You try for sustain them because
beaucoup of people them they out there, so they're not proud of. If you talk to a team yourself, you know they answer you. So I made them know say team na sweet language for talk.
Okay, you see one Francis, come. Internet man gets one popular song right now with the play. You hear him making you can. I'm dancing with you. They will say, we are two, on two, into one two. It's like going to the normal.
New track, Randy.
Yeah, brand new. Yeah.
So give you a cappella for that neighbor.
Because that's something you play like that. So
that the song I call her that in a brain up. Brain up because certain people in there where they listen to song, certain people in there where they talk say na hood song. So I do the brain work, make people know say this not a hood song. So I decide for converter with a small Creole, with a read it to me at least for spread the message, make people know say not a good song.
So who said do it? Who said do the song?
Yeah, 3 months back.
3 months back.
Yeah.
Any song on scatter so right now.
You know say good thing no there.
I said when you pick a dance, that's when you make it say that's so
back to. Okay, I didn't hate the song, but at least where people hear out, make them know say yes, this not to any good song because when someone they hear it to as specified. Someone they feel say na techno, no. This na the local. This is not internet man.
So you think that one day inspire you for do this one?
Yeah, it inspire me.
Okay.
Because I take and see why Nigeria music they can break through in our own country.
Okay.
Whilst we get the know-how for do different thing back, for me they know say yes, they do better.
Okay, look at the acapella.
Okay, the song
for dance.
Oh man, my put is of couple too. At the narrator, I say the man we don't drink. They talk English. Oh man, more put is of couple too. Of couple too. Where here? How to? Where to? Come to? Back to? It's in like way to. Tutu, couple to it love.
Ayomu, opakono kulika pina moyo poti so ayome. Ayomu, opakono kulika mun. Oto saga kigen, kasha likoto bullet madigen. Opoko pege for black limi gen. Kaka manga po manga ngi ngotenene. Opani ngasunda bobo dole gopene. So ayome, ayomu. Ayomu, so ayome, ayomu. Yayomu, o man mo poti so fof kapoto. Of kapoto. O man mo popina fof kapoto. Of kapoto. So like go out to, we are to, come to, back to, out to, we are to, come to, back to. It's like go toto. Kapoto it's love of it. Toto. Ka English it's love of it. Toto. Zoom.
Sweet music production. It's Styles on the beat.
It's love of it. Tutu. It's how the thing go. So the man, we don't enjoy. Now English they talk.
Okay.
It's just the same. Now we don't check it. They say how to, where to, come to. So we check inside the sentence. Waiting Boku. Now the toto there.
Okay, the two.
So I just take and say this. Why we compose the theme of the song? People and they know say this song not a good song. That's why I include small preview how to, where to, come to, back to.
Okay, well, go to the team inside now because it's
like where toto. Couple to it's a love of it. Toto.
So what's the name? That means say anytime you man chat. Nah, the two don't know what they talk about.
So.
Then you get your today now soon since we come back to you, we say got the opportunity to can stool around there.
Yeah, they tell you maybe this is not the natural background as you see.
Yes, nice place.
Yeah.
I want you can inside.
Yeah, you can inside. You know.
Wow, this nice, it's natural.
Yeah, natural thing, you know.
So you been on do other song them?
Yeah.
I remember say you been doing song with the towards Valentine business or eating. So first of all, why you decide for like change for transform from so then song and decide for begin to sing the song?
Well, I just want to be original.
Okay.
Yeah, because certain things and they do them song then they put me in different categories. Say I sound like music, so then they say I sound like Beanie Man, you know. Now I thought something say might be original.
You know, glad you see because some people man way and say, hey, if you sing a Sean Paul, it's glad. Why?
Yeah, for the moment, me not go glad because I want to be original. I want to be myself. I want me them copy from me. That's why I change.
Okay, so give me small acapella for that song in the we don't need.
Yeah, man. Some boy them call me now me telephone. Me no know what we do now. When me ask them what I want, nothing they must say yeah. Say when me tell them fi call me. Say by the time we then text me. Listen, yo, the boy them call me, but still never talk. Them say me a bad man, me other than work. Stop calling me, yes, a midnight call. Me stay with a girl love all night long. Them say internet, you are more than enough. Style and pattern, me give her them some. Me a not a ugly, me a handsome. Boy, them jealous, me pay a good song. Sweeter song like Kelly Handsome. Cause them are the virus, what it the genius. INTRNET. Go and tell your uncle and your auntie. No vacants, cause they all empty. Jamaica wicked is the boy, them chichi. Stop calling me, yes, stop calling me. Girl inna me Valentine, I get you time. Boy inna me Valentine, I get you time. Girl inna me Valentine. Boy inna me Valentine.
You inna me Valentine.
You inna me Valentine, oh yeah. Baby inna me Valentine, oh yeah. Each and every time I ready for see you inna me ocean. Longer time. That one at 2007. Yeah, then song they already this one at 2000. Long time.
Okay. Now we talk small thing about your personal life now. Internet man.
Yeah.
Don't married, you get picking them. What happened? Tell me small thing about that.
Anyway, I not married it.
Okay.
But I get 3 pikin.
Wow, in a lover boy.
I dey tell you, say from 2005, 2006, say the celebrity game all they live. All my one can hear you, so certain mistake they happen. I just believe say me na man.
It's why you bad oh. You the artist you go don broke. Hey. You don broke what say? Tell me small to man.
Now the main thing of me, I just believe say my business, the promise, na can cause problem. At least me and you they love. But when you ma promise, straight off are ready for marriage.
Hey.
It just meets up, not to me on time.
So you get for married?
Look at him, are they married soon, very soon.
You get for married all you on promise. You get for married 20.
Well, you already don't born for me. 2 of them they don't marry them.
Hey,
Yeah.
internet man. I feel them for you.
I did tell you, I just believe say they happen very soon.
You happy?
Yeah,
But this one you know for left again, no.
yeah,
Okay, let's talk small thing about music and money.
yeah.
Right now you're a gentleman, eh?
I'm average. Say the country all day.
So it's happy. Music no get money, not you get money or you get money. Or you realize or you realize it. Waiting at the issue.
Well, the main issue, the kind area where I found myself, when I did not, because certain things they happen, project them they come on. But then the bank fire back because that locality always for say down in an upline. Certain things they come for you, other man they go benefit. But I not just relent, I just believe they do the very best. Time go come.
So like any artist union or McKinney, waiting at the role in terms of like if benefit they come, let them say benefit or let them say benefit in terms like just like how the free tone artists they say the benefit.
Yeah, just like what they say, we get big artist union with so many artists they don't come on. We they don't hear them viral. At least just like what they say, that locality system, the channel, we project then they come. And go be so biased for get we na the north. For say you na country artist, I brother in a village artist. So certain thing and the benefits where they come, you know they get her. So I just believe say na the time they cancel. Because all man now they earn for see the cultural. They don't know say this na real music.
Then the choice of your style. Tell me why you decide for get this your style. You see put Irina Yates.
I did tell you.
Yeah.
Get locks. This na me I've been do from 2006. What starts for do? I get shop
What you do?
for do dread.
Okay. So like me, I try this way. Maybe make a dread for me.
Yeah, but I go give advice no more. Okay, well, this is strong. I able do one for you.
Okay.
But the only thing no more, use lem and foam soft, so it go strong more.
Okay. So it's strong when I make fine.
Go make fine.
Okay.
Me go make all kind of but I dey advise you for make it strong more.
And when you put it in so, people may discriminate against you because of that.
Well, na my own culture.
Okay.
Me na artist.
Okay. So like now compose where the artists put it in, then you look different.
No. Some of the artists then look for the natural.
Tell me small thing about your performance na McKinney so and also out of McKinney. Who say you don't perform?
Hey, I just believe say the salon people they know internet man. They just know say any performance when they see me per me na final. Just like we say me na the solution. Game final. Yeah, the performance area, salon people they know say internet man na all game final. You know, I don't perform so many areas. Even outside the Mende people and they do to me, then they dance to me song. I don't perform, they dance with me. You know, we skid in show na song. Me na special guest. Come on for McKinney invitation, come on. I go perform na stadium. I just believe say people they know say na the right thing they do.
What about performances out of Sierra Leone? Do you ever?
No, I don't ever move out of Sierra Leone.
And you look forward to that?
Yeah.
Nice man. Who sign at the Sierra Leone get you best performance? Where you say yeah, this perform here. I'm the biggest platform and I'll be actually I'll enjoy myself or enjoy the work as an artist.
Well, the best performance na stadium, na stadium, yeah.
Like biggest crowd
Yeah,
anywhere on perform.
where we speak calm because I'm so glad it say I don't ever get that kind of crowd. As I start to perform, people and they follow.
Hey,
They sing the song.
and he sing with you.
Hey, I overjoy then say them because you know say artists.
And who song Emi?
Konohima.
Okay.
Aleka Papa Fene Konohima. Kona. I dey tell you, people and they sing the song like 1 year back.
Nice
They don't
song.
get her.
Now, Katimne, why in terms of singing in Timni, you think now we need for able make the language last longer and for let people we remember maybe in 100, 200 years then because music has been put in performance in permanent side. And right now we get the internet, we like for the future, the internet will be the future of the itself. We like if language is die safe, if it day in that form day, I mean people will remember.
Well, the Timni language no they ever die
Why you think so?
because it left to how you they do am. Wetin I mean the song because na legacy. I just believe say I don't left the legacy member back from 2017 to now 16, 17 where I do Konohima 30 the people and the dancer.
Okay.
They remember the old song them before the oldies 30 they would listen them. I just believe say no they die hence then they inside record.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you not think say like we sing in Timni so people go sing at tribalism like I mean like many man will able to sing you dance your song or anything like that?
No, I just believe say the country where me found myself will not get anything in it because we listen to them collabo, you know, Kono artists them they
Okay.
different language where all man they sing on new language. So all they dance to the tune.
So in the future now Timni go for continue for the sing or you go just the mixer?
Just like what I tell you, I just wanna be original. Wait till they know me for. Now they always do. No ragamuffin again, strictly Timni.
Or I mean you might for Timni.
Ah, to pendera.
Tanto cool.
Ah, bye bye. Tuto imuka link aga Timni.
Yeah.
Off of Katimni.
You might for key for Timni. You might euro do. Don't bombali. Don't Kenny. You might no.
Ah, ina nom ke. Ima tsaka of Katimni. Ah, to pendera.
Tanto cool.
Sekembo.
Yo.
Ah, tuto imuka of Katimni. Yo.
Okay. No.
Oku mo beng.
So you might come on for I'm sa music I'm singing.
Oa, afuma minu sekeno. Na poti petit pelana woni teme momono. Apa loko ampole mali menga mina bote mi guninga anto kabo menga. Mapu sokotok be mi nengisa. Ukino imat la mi meme fof kakati mene. Ko bati okremo obai kamba yo we komamba. Kono we internet.
We can left Makeni, we can go back because
Okay.
now you're so important that specifically personally we can Makeni, we drive can Makeni, we can just see you and talk to you okay that's what we can.
Yeah.
Now in terms of support from government, what do you think say government need for do for make una the artists there able get una bread and butter, able like let artists like you able get your own property like this why so. And I mean, get your employee and staff and the way they with the benefits as a result. What do you think is going for them?
Well, I just believe say the government for work on a certain movement, at least the platform come first. Not so for pool money, give artists. At least create something, make the industry at least where we get area where they go learn music, you know. Platform inside the day for perform, for make shows, maybe the artists they able get them facility then they. I just believe say without for pool money, if you don't get all them facility then they, I just believe say salo music the day in different level. Not for pool money get artists. At least create a platform where the artists then go benefit. And the small one they really can be in. People this na internet man okremo obay kambay obay kikambay kabus kek bay wat mo minta mi kay sa de me kay Remember, always go to watch Salone Country Pot from 4:30 every Saturday.
Okay. See me. Chimney fashion. Testing. Okay. Boss, you know ENT. Apollo molomo mi kaka so kane mi yama lomi mu yama tori mi apa me lape nkashi mama fofo ne mu pen nkashi abode ka de fino do koko nkashi what dey kwe lese yanga gben fofo ne mu dise apa mu fino ilane kan fu ma mu brende bitane before mo tishi bo te kukete kokane mama ne me buke sane lale fofo ne mu bo yabi mi ne boge so be ga fino kai konko oba iso ko ka do botero mo boko Momo kote yo shake nigga konoima Aleka fofa fene konoima konoima Aleka fofa fene konoima okay konoima Owati fino mine botu koyati Tati tae mane saki Wanna bike believe okati yo takamida yang okale takamida foy Okufi mo factory sop como foy Kaka keme toy Papa back me kaka keme boy Otori mi okale kori Kili mi Apa me uye ngote kot Kiyo man say let me take a sort of cut Angala ngenge can't make it consequence Obega fino let me get a locomotive Mine ikaka neko kota neko Baga neko kati neko Esa yo totobo Kanko na deme papako Oya mamita me wate mine sapako Oya ye wan mamu ko manko Konoyema Kaya bisamiko Konoyema It's a fucking okachim Konoyema I wanna look at your makala coca from Oboshinka Okada Tinka Okada Tunka Okada Sanka Wani membonge you membonge Konoyema Aleka fofa fene Konoyema Konoyema Aleka fofa fene Konoyema Konoyema Oboti abato sobo Whenever kunkula me Afuma lama yama sipetane me Itinunga mama inkitane me Itinunga Jamenunga Whenever kunkula me Afuma lama yama sipetane me Itinunga mama inkitane me Ngamanga mi malis Ilai tagati Ilai tagati Ilai tagati Bonue tilaminu Bonue tilaminu Abaddon sowodi Eta siton abaddon sowodi Male mami abaddon sowodi Koneyema sowodi Moi topo punga pakamo matas Lego de gane mito apamine matas Kelima mantanta mito mokbas Na neba popa ngesa mi wate muna boyo kishash Kelimi wate kukike metas Ama papka fofo papato mano yoi Apofu do pet agale fofu do mogi Aba yoi Mino mano momoris Mane mami moto modis Mino mano polaris Abatos fugi kone konon Kege pamodo konon Mine tase kake sontong Kataga ipo sontong Whenever kunkula me Afuma lama yama sikbetane me Itinunga mama inkitane me Ngamanga mi malis Ilai tagati Ilai tagati Ilai tagati Bonue tilaminu Bonue tilaminu Abaddon sowodi Eta siton abaddon sowodi Male mami abaddon sowodi Koneyema sowodi Okay What's the name is me Mama fofa ngesami Kege hey for eto mangesami And then me go do de Kege ngesami Abaddon one contest Abaddon one contest Atela mabona Abaddon one contest Abaddon you believe Apop kiyinkili Semineng Adana taga kiyinkili
Oh, well, the music also take me that not just the dance note, now the dance, the enjoy and everything, but Soboti, and also Konoyema. Of course, that's an internet man we go do for we. I mean, I use the song in the end. They say in the Kumo, Kumo. Francis.
me not the Timini specialist, so Timini language specialist, but I learn some Timini from internet, and then Okumo, Obai come by, Obeki come by, Ogush come by.
Well, the guy.
So let it Timini specialist there.
Well, maybe sometimes you listen, so it's one be Okumo, Obai come by, Ogush come by.
Internet man.
Next time I follow Axa, we need for Axa more. We see that mean.
You must say na the children cheap. Then na the head teacher for the children. The children man.
Interesting interview, interesting perspective. Of course, you get artists them we like they don't focus now on cultures. I mean we look at language. So like we just need for actually continue for emphasize on it, and also let we actually display also the salon way of doing things, the salon dress them, the cultural dress them. Then also the show back and the clip here with the do back. So like salon continue to continue for look at some especially artists them where they do song in local language, be it Creole, Mende, Timni, Limba, Loco, Kono, any of the language them. I mean, we will continue to look at that and try to bring you more and more. But of course, internet man, I want person because like maybe they say and say, I really ask that question you. I say like you call yourself internet man, I be expecting you call yourself Danaboom, or you call yourself other name, but you say like in the solution.
Yeah.
Also you say so like say if possible want find anything, you want find out what's anything right now in the present age we day. They go on the internet for find out. So like in the possible way like na the solution. So like na in people in the good way they want information about everything. Of course, it's about that new song Francis. So it's about to we say like not what's in a course or like now for just put in perspective was say like any man you talk where to, how to, back to, you know, anything. So like one we see you know on a two. So like now that's not the thing. That's an internet man. Of course, Francis, you learn anything from, or you want to share anything from internet man in interview or in lifestyle for, I mean, for that system?
Yeah, I know. Say first of all, in don't move from the thing the thing the way people then see normal. Yeah, all man want for seeing like instead be the do them thing and they, but I think fact checking self say I'm not original. Are not authentic, so it come home. Mickey always say roots. You roots now you home.
Sure. And
internet man realize see in roots now home. So now you go to Intimini. So in don't make it very clear now. Say you know they sing in specific now in roots music now they sing. We not Timini. You know they change for nobody. So it don't like carve your own craft now. See. Na day it dey go. So once it dey go day, a lot of things then the way himself need for learn from the culture and how it need for display down there for people and for understand say na this na the Timini culture and this Timini culture I will need for promoter. Music Mickey always say music not get boundary.
Universal, yeah.
Yes, music not get boundary because we dey dance to South African music there in a salon where you not even know what's in they talk. They dance, the people that they listen other foreign music that we don't even know. So would I tell you say internet man, other artists they not go sing inside and language, indigenous Sierra Leonean language and across borders. So now then thing that we need for really advocate so we artists them, young artists them when they come up. Let them take the footstep of the ancestors there.
And it's very important. And we want to emphasize again that your language, your local language, your indigenous language is very, very important. Let nobody make you afraid or make you look down on your language. Say because this person in French is speak, this person in English is speak. No, any language we they speak. Once I local language or whether an international language or local language, that language will make you go international, it will make you go any side. Let nobody say pass you sing by English before you go perform na international place them. No, wrong. With your local language, with your song, with your Mende song, with your Limba or local song, you're able to go perform na any side of the world. And I want that you just respect yourself and respect your language. So you can say important past any other language, whether that language they talk on any side. I mean, not care too much about that one day. Yeah. But again, it's nice for Sabi talk 2-3 language when we try and call multilingual. It's also nice because it also make things easy for you as like if you move travel in different parts of the world. But you indigenous language, the language where they born you, where you meet your mama and papa, they talk, is very important. And again, no afraid say, I talk to you artist now, not afraid say, hey, me, if I sing that Pantimio, if I sing Pan Mende, if I sing Pan Loco, hey, I no go, if the BBC no go interview me, CNN no go interview me, no. When people are ready for interview, then they find interpreter them. If you go to any international forum, say if you don't sabi talk English, no problem. You go talk you Creole, you talk you Mende, you talk you Limba, then they find interpreter for you and you actually excel. So like Salone Country Report will continue for profile or for look at the life of artists the way they sing in with local language and bring and come as we continue the Salone Country Report program. Remember, say Salone Country Report comes to you courtesy of the Ministry of Tourism, National Tourist Board, Monumental Heritage Commission, and AYV. Francis Momo, open the portal to receive anything there. Salone Country Reports. Country Report take out better thing now. Take out beaucoup thing like first thing. Now you look at a specific thing in the Salone Country Report they can carry it. Well, me and empty. You see, nothing only do. So like the Salone Country Report no gets much again at for this particular program. Now internet man will bring Tona and why they do intimate song and how they do them. Next week Saturday, Salone Country Report will come again. But if you get any information or you want to tell me anything or you want to make suggestion, you can do them on 030 718 777. 030 718 777 na the number for send message and be part of Salone Country Reports. So till next week, we want to say plenty thank you to all the one the way help for put the program together, the one the way edit time, the one the way help for make it reach you. Plenty thank you to AYV, to Monumental Heritage Commission, Ministry of Tourism and National Tourist Board. So till next week, we Salone Country Report will come to you again. Me, na Mohamed Pari Kago.
And me na Francis Musa Momo.
Salone Country Report, oh, Salone Country Report, inside this country report, yeah. Inside this country report, inside this country report, yeah. Inside this country report, Ministry of Tourism, inside this country report, National Tourist Board, inside this country report, Monumental Heritage Commission, inside this country report, AYV Central, inside this country report, Salone Country Report, oh, Salone Country Report, Salone Country Report, inside this country report, yeah. Inside this country report, yeah. Inside this country report, oh. Tourism I say the day. Traditional business day. Tourism business day. Country food I say it day. Salone Country Report, oh. Salone Country Report, oh. Inside this country report, yeah. Inside this country report, yeah. It's the culture day. Country food I say